Hey, what's up everybody? So in today's video what we're going to do is I'm going to experiment with one of those pre-cooked hams. Every time I've had them and I've warmed them up, they've been salty. So I wanted to find a way to draw that salt out. I have one of these hams, alright? And this is a Cook's ham. I've been soaking it overnight and I changed the water several times. So now what we're going to do is we're going to boil it with some bay leaves, some peppercorn, and I'm going to see if I have some cloves and throw some cloves in there. We're just going to boil it for, I don't know, maybe an hour, and then we're going to bake it. I saw a YouTube video where someone did that, and I was curious to see how it comes out. She boils her ham for about 3 hours. I'm not going to do mine nearly as long. These hams are already cooked, and all you got to do is get them up to temperature. The objective here is to get rid of some of that salt. So I'm just going to take this, put it back in here. Fill it with water as much as I can, get as much of this covered as possible. Alright, we'll start this off kind of on the low side. Yeah, I got about a teaspoon of peppercorn. I got some bay leaf. These are all like pieces of dried bay leaves. There's probably about 3 bay leaves in there. Okay, I've got some cloves, about half a teaspoon's worth of whole cloves, and I'm just gonna dump that in there. And now we're just gonna bring that up to a boil and let it boil for, I don't know, maybe I'll go an hour, hour and a half. After we boil it, we're gonna take it, put it in a pan and cover it. I'll see if I can put a glaze on it. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to make a glaze for this. I was looking in my cabinet. Got a small thing of pineapple juice, and I've got some crushed pineapples, and I've got some brown sugar. So I'm going to see what I can do with this. So I'm going to, I don't know, cup and a half of brown sugar. Pour the pineapple juice in there. And I'm going to add that crushed pineapple. I'm going to put this on the burner, heat this up, cook it down, see if it'll thicken up, and then we'll put that over the ham when we bake it. In the meantime, we're going to preheat our oven at 325. Okay, I have this on the heat. Okay, so this has been going like this for about, I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hours. Okay, my challenge is to get this out of this pot. Let's see if I can do it with these. Okay, that didn't work. Let's see if I put some gloves on, if I can take it out real quick. I'll probably wind up burning myself, but anyway, 1, 2, 3. Ah! Hot. So now I'm just going to wait for that glaze, and I'll put that glaze on it, and we'll put it in the oven for about an hour. All right. Well, this pineapple glaze seems ready, although it's kind of liquidy. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to
add some water to the bottom of this pan.
And now this is going to go in the oven. Again, 325. Okay, so this came out. I'm just going to cut a piece. It's tender, it's still juicy. You can see how juicy it is. You can still taste some salt, but it's not that that overpowering salt taste. I think it was a success. All right, so it seems like that worked pretty good, getting rid of some of that salt. So this might be the new way that I make these hams from now on. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon.